Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it to the video by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right. So here we are. Now let's move to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings with the video category at the first position in the video mode. At the second place here we have the video stabilization option, so by using this button we can turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And also when we go back to the video preview, we have one extra button to stabilize our video better, which is here. So by just one tap here we can turn on super steady stabilization and another tap to turn it off. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.